Hey everybody, it's BW out in the garage. Gonna do a little bit of work on the hood tonight. We're gonna finish up that bar. That's probably all I'm gonna get done tonight. Last night I was in the house and I was working and playing around with the editing and stuff like that for the program I use, and I got a lot of good feedback on the introduction to the last video, so I'm trying to do a lot of things better. I mean, if you look at some of my earlier videos, you can tell, caveman on a rocket ship. But I am trying to get better. I want to be able to give you guys the best quality video I can so you can share the build with me, you know, as we go. Right now I'm trying to learn about crop zooming and things of that nature inside the video. So if you like see the picture creeping in on me and creeping back out, and maybe creeping in on the project and creeping out, it's me playing around, trying to get better, to give you a better quality video so I can share the whole experience of this car build with you guys. I mean, a lot of car shows, I mean, they're moving cars in and out monthly and stuff like that. I just don't have the logistics to do that right now. I'm just having fun with my build on the gasser. I'm trying to bring in as many of you as I can for you know, via subscriptions and shares, and I try to, you know, I want to include everybody. Everybody's welcome in the garage, and I want to show you as much as I can. So where I lack in moving different projects all over the place, I'm trying to make up for by giving you the best quality videos that I can. So just a quick review. Let me pull the camera down. I want to just make sure everybody, we're all on the same page of what I'm doing. I showed you, I think I showed you Sunday night, but like I say, I want to play with the zoom anyway, so I want you to see it. So like I said, over here we got the bar that we're building piece by piece, and okay, we got the middle one in, and we had this side in. Right now we're getting ready to tack this one. I got everything just laying there. I got a tiny gap here. I don't want anything to pull in or out. I'm trying to make the feet all just touch, and I'm holding it steady with this clamp because I don't want to put any zip screws or anything in it right now. And we know that the numbers on this bar is fictitious until we're ready. This is dead center, and after I get this welded in and everything's cooled, we'll decide where we want to 45 these things off. All right, so that's what we're doing right now. Let me get them tacked, and I'll leave it on and I'll time lapse this or something. I don't do a whole lot of time lapsing, but I do some. I mean, I know that some guys do a lot of it. All right, so let me just get these tacked. Let me take a second. TIG welding, heliarcing, whatever you want to call it. I got it on the remote where I got a trigger right on the torch. It gives me instant voltage. I also have a foot pedal for the machine, but it's just not practical in this application. So let me show you real quick. I just did a little tack. I did very light tack so that nothing moved. Bring it over, take a look at it. All right, there it is. We just ran 2 tacks. We left that gap in there, so nothing moved. You can see like the feet aren't perfect. I mean, but I can tweak them with a wrench, and just so everything just touches the hood when we're ready to spot weld it. You can see, like I told you the other day, we already have our spot weld holes ready to go. So we're good there. So now I'll move the project over to the weld table where we. All right, we're set up on the other side. I'm going to get this tacked up, and I want to show you guys something on this too. It's kind of cool. So just give me a second here. Alright, let me show you this real quick, try to explain it. I mean, you probably already know this, but there may be a guy or two that don't. So, the torch won't fit into this short side. You see the tungsten lands way up, like a 1/4 inch up on it. It just won't work out. I don't have a shorter cup, and even if I did, I'm not sure it would work. So the best solution to this that I found, and it's not optimal. You want to always keep your tungsten as short into the cup as you can and still make a puddle. But for, you know, it's better to put some metal in there than none. So for this right here, just, you know, for this one, I'll pull it out pretty far like that. I could actually probably take it in just a hair. And I mean, you're robbing it of the perfect situation, but it's better than not having any metal there. So let me weld that up, and we should be all right. I'm gonna try to leave the camera here. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I want to see. So we're gonna try it. A little bit right there. Got a little bit. Yeah. Not bad. Had a little spot there I had to fix up. Not bad. Now we can return the tungsten to a normal setting. Alright, so you get the proper, they call that funny enough, they call it a corona. You can look it up. It's the gas bubble, or if you will, around the tungsten. All right, so here it is. We got in there nice and tight. All right, so it's better to do that than not have nothing. The rest of these I can get, even this short side, it's not quite as short. Over here on this side, I can get that with the regular. But I wanted to show you that real quick. All right. Might jump in and out here with the zoom. Like I said, I'm practicing. I may also do a little time lapse where I speed it up. We'll see. Like I said, I'm just learning to do a better job editing, trying to include you guys in everything. Alright, and there you go. We got it all welded up. A little warm. Alright, we got the bar on. It fits good. Everything looks great. We're just about out of battery juice, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. Just show you guys real quick. So we have 3 points where the bracket touches there, in the middle, and there. We shortened the bar up just temporarily because I was having a hard time. It kept binding in there. So it's still got to be cut to length. It's still too long, and we're going to 45 them off. So, but that's what we got, and we'll get back on the hood this weekend. I'm going to put it off to the side. Supposed to get some nasty weather in the next couple days, so I'll be limited on space in the shop. So I think I'm going to jump over here, and maybe we'll start drilling and tapping for our linear bearing tracks to get them ready to get installed. We'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and put this little tidbit of video up just so I can play with the editing and give you guys a tiny update. I mean, it's not much more than what we were at on Sunday night, but it is progress. And working on better videos is also progress. So hey, take it easy everybody, and I'll catch you around.